Have you ever pondered what the future of artificial intelligence holds? Have you ever heard of Singularity AI? This, my friends, is no mere science fiction trope. Singularity AI, in essence, is a theoretical point in time when artificial intelligence will surpass human intelligence, leading to an unprecedented and unimaginable revolution in human civilization. Imagine a world where machines can not only match but exceed the cognitive prowess of mankind. A world where artificial intelligence can independently learn, adapt, innovate, and even outclass us in every conceivable way. This is not just a fascinating notion, but a potential reality we might be inching towards. A reality that harbors both awe-inspiring possibilities and unsettling uncertainties. Singularity AI is more than just a concept. It's a turning point in our timeline, a marker of a new era in technological advancement and human evolution. Now let's delve deeper into this captivating concept and its timeline. The journey of Singularity AI is nothing short of fascinating. It's a riveting tale of human innovation and tenacity, a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge and technological supremacy. Our story begins in the mid-20th century with the birth of the concept of artificial intelligence. This was an era of dreamers and visionaries who dared to imagine a world where machines could think and learn like humans. The seed of Singularity AI was sown. As we moved into the latter part of the century, we witnessed the advent of machine learning, the progenitor of modern AI. This was a game changer. Now machines were not just imitating human cognition, they were learning from experience, improving over time. The dawn of the 21st century brought with it the era of deep learning. Neural networks inspired by the human brain were now capable of processing vast amounts of data, making sense of complex patterns that were beyond human comprehension. This was the age of AI giants like DeepMind and OpenAI, pushing the boundaries of what was possible, inching closer to the dream of Singularity AI. In the past decade, we have seen an explosion of AI applications, from digital assistants in our pockets to self-driving cars on our roads. We've seen AI that can create art, write poetry, diagnose diseases, and even play complex games like Go and chess at a world champion level. Today, Singularity AI is no longer a distant dream. It's a tangible reality within our grasp. We stand on the brink of a new era where AI surpasses human intelligence, where it evolves and learns at a pace that is beyond our control. This evolution has not been a smooth ride, of course. It's been punctuated by breakthroughs and setbacks, by moments of triumph and periods of uncertainty. But through it all, one thing has remained constant: our relentless drive to push the limits, to reach for the stars, to make the impossible possible. As we can see, the advancement of Singularity AI has been rapid and relentless. So what does the future hold for Singularity AI? Now that's a question that keeps futurists awake at night. The potential future developments and implications of Singularity AI are as vast as they are varied. Imagine a world where mundane tasks are completely automated, freeing up time for humans to pursue creative and intellectual ventures. A world where complex problems that currently stump our brightest minds are solved in seconds by AI. That's the power of Singularity AI. However, it's not all rosy. We can't discuss the future of Singularity AI without acknowledging the potential risks. The very nature of Singularity AI, its ability to outthink and outpace us, could potentially lead to unforeseen consequences. This is not to paint a dystopian picture, but to underline the fact that we need to tread carefully and ethically as we walk this path. On the brighter side, Singularity AI could revolutionize numerous sectors. In healthcare, it could lead to breakthroughs in personalized medicine and early disease detection. In education, it could tailor learning to each individual's needs, ensuring no one is left behind. In environmental conservation, it could provide innovative solutions to combat climate change. The societal changes that Singularity AI could bring about are equally profound. We could see a shift in the very fabric of our society as jobs become automated and the nature of work changes. This could lead to a redefinition of human purpose and value, a topic that philosophers have been wrestling with for centuries. Of course, these are all speculations. The reality is, the future of Singularity AI is as unpredictable as it is exciting. We are on the cusp of a new era, an era that could redefine our understanding of intelligence and consciousness. So, let's embrace the uncertainty and look forward to the possibilities. After all, As we've seen with every technological revolution in history, change is the only constant. The possibilities are endless, and the future is indeed exciting. Now let's hear what one of the world's leading tech visionaries, Elon Musk, has to say about Singularity AI. Elon Musk, the man behind SpaceX, Tesla, and Neuralink, has always been vocal about his thoughts on artificial intelligence. He sees AI as a double-edged sword. On one side, he recognizes the potential benefits of AI and how it could revolutionize our lives. On the other, Musk has expressed concerns about the unregulated advancement of AI and the potential for it to surpass human intelligence. Musk believes that Singularity AI, the point at which artificial intelligence will surpass human intelligence, could be a reality within the next few decades. He has warned that if we are not careful, AI could become an existential risk for humanity. This doesn't mean that he is against the development of AI. Rather, he advocates for a cautious and regulated approach to its development. In Musk's view, the best way to ensure that AI is beneficial for humanity is to democratize it. This means that AI should not be controlled by a select few, but should be available to all. He believes that this could prevent the misuse of AI and ensure that its benefits are distributed evenly. Musk's vision for the future includes a symbiosis between humans and AI. He envisions a future where humans could merge with AI to solve our cognitive limitations and keep up with AI's rapid advancement. This is the idea behind Neuralink, Musk's ambitious project to develop a high-bandwidth brain-machine interface. However, Musk's predictions are not without controversy. While some experts agree with his views, others believe that his predictions are overly pessimistic and that the risks of AI are overstated. Despite these differing viewpoints, there's no denying that Musk's views have sparked widespread discussions about the future of AI. Elon Musk's views on Singularity AI certainly give us food for thought. So, is Singularity AI a boon or a bane for humanity? This is where we find ourselves, on the precipice of a question that has no definitive answer. On one hand, Singularity AI holds the potential to revolutionize our world, catapulting us into an era of unprecedented technological advancement. We're talking about solving complex problems in a fraction of the time it takes today, creating highly efficient systems, and even opening doors to new scientific discoveries. However, on the other side of the coin, Singularity AI brings with it a set of challenges. The risk of an intelligence explosion, where AI surpasses human intelligence, is a very real concern. We must consider the ethical implications, the potential job losses, and the threat of AI systems becoming too powerful to control. It's a complex issue, one that demands our attention and thoughtful deliberation. We should not fear the unknown, but rather embrace the opportunity to shape our own future. Only time will tell if Singularity AI will be our greatest ally or our biggest challenge. In conclusion, Singularity AI is a fascinating and complex topic. We've journeyed from its intriguing origins, through its evolution and into its future. We've explored the perspectives of visionaries like Elon Musk and debated whether this technological marvel is a force for good or a potential Pandora's box. The reality is that Singularity AI is a double-edged sword. It promises unparalleled advancements but also poses significant ethical questions. It's a challenge that we, as a society, must navigate with wisdom and foresight. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, it's crucial that we continue to educate ourselves, to question, to debate, and to dream. The future of Singularity AI, after all, is not just about technology. It's about us, our values, our aspirations, and our humanity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this thought-provoking video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more. See you in the next video.